Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. I do a couple of things. I teach a course where within the course, I teach two specific gap trading strategies. The first one is the morning gap trades. That's when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open from the prior trading day's close. That's where the opportunity is. The opportunity is for traders that can identify a specific price level where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. In the course, I teach my traders which stocks it works the best with, what are the specific criteria we're looking for in these stocks. Everything you need to know is found in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. The other strategy I teach are the gap fill trades. When stocks do gap higher or lower at the open, it leaves what's called an open gap. Those open gaps will be filled at some point in the future, at least the majority of the time. I teach traders how we track them, and I teach traders how we trade them. Not all trades are created equal. Not all gap fill trades are meant to be taken. I teach traders which ones should and which ones shouldn't. The other thing I do is I give traders an opportunity to get my gap trades each and every day sent right to their inbox at 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even open for business. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's email. Then we'll come back to this chart and take a look at a shorter time frame and see what happened to the stock. Here's exactly what went out to my subscribers this morning at 9 o'clock a.m. before the market even opened for trading. We only had 3 possible trades on the board today, and that's because we're not really getting into or not yet into earnings season. It's going to start in a few days, and that's when the trades are going to come fast and furious. So put your seatbelt on. But we did have 3 opportunities. We had Shire, SHPG, we had Knowles Corp, KN, and Barracuda Networks, CUDA. The first 2 didn't hit their levels. When a stock does not hit its price level that we're interested to trade the stock at, it becomes a no trade. We don't want it. We're only interested in the price levels we calculate because that's the high probability level. CUDA did come into its level, and I say gap lower. Support levels are 22.31, and then I gave a secondary level down at 21.69. Stop and profit target is about 18 to 30 cents. Now, mind you, these are minimum profit targets. These are scalp trade targets. So if somebody wanted to take a quick profit, those are the levels that they could expect the stock to bounce to. It's not the maximum, but the minimum profit target. Let's go back over to the chart and take a look at a shorter time frame on CUDA. Now, you already saw the other chart. I'm on a 10-minute chart, and you can see here that the stock made a low right out of the gate today, right in the first minute of the day at 22.31. That's the same level that my traders were given before the market even opened for trading. And it's pretty obvious on what happened after that. The stock ripped higher, and in just about 6 minutes, the stock was up $1. And off of a $22 stock, that is a tremendous gain. That's a 5% rip higher in just a matter of minutes. Everything you see is pretty apparent, pretty obvious. The stock hit the level to the penny and ripped higher and continues higher, and I wouldn't be surprised if it actually fills the gap all the way up here around $24 by the end of the trading day. This is a strategy that you can learn and you can utilize for the rest of your trading career. I teach in my course everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. Not only that, but I provide full and complete support. No question ever goes unanswered. I'll answer any gap trading question. I'll answer any trading question. I'm here to help traders get better, understand the markets better, and be successful traders. That's my goal. If you want to learn more about gap trading, come over to LazyGapTrader.com. You can learn everything that you need to know in order to be successful trading the gaps. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, traders.